would never do.
Chill. Y'all need to calm down.
You see us grabbing here? I was about to take the window, then
There should be one arm for you, Richard. There should be space for you.
Where you need to keep calm.
Richard and Justin.
Richard's too tall for the rail fan window.
Carlos.
Brighton.
Wait.
Yeah, you should be able to fit your arm in there, Richard.
I was 7 with this.
You know, I'll get it halfway and I'll let you get the rest.
If only I was little, I could have stuck myself right here.
Yeah, I saw him.
Satchel's here?
Yeah,
Awesome.
He was actually hogging the window. Him and someone else.
If there was only 10 cars set,
Instead of making it the Olympics, they're just gonna make it the guys.
Imagine the guys who record the Coney Island trip.
Oh,
Yeah.
Chill, Max Diamond.
Where do we want it?
Just gonna pause that.
Thank God I'm not here. Where do we want?
I can't do this over there anymore, yo. Yo, William. Yo, William. You watch Dashie?
And we got the
You
clear.
watch Dashie? Yeah. Hey, hey! Remember the Pokemon parody? The party Red Red?
Oh yeah, so now we're splitting.
What did you say? Hey, hey!
Hey, chill out. Or even better, you could have been like, hello, Akbar.
Sorry.
Okay, who's ready to get hit with the fucking chocolate?
Who wants to blow up a 160?
Ready to fucking hit somebody.
Who wants to blow up a 160? I might see it says.
I do. I'd rather go for 60.
Yo, chill with the bullshit.
Yo, we can
Yo, chill with the bullshit.
Where's our hashtag down?
What shirt is that? Oh, you bought one? How's it feel like?
Did you get a Silver Crew shirt?
Extra large? I gotta get his size. His size, you know. I gotta get back his size. I couldn't buy that shirt.
If you see him today, you can have $40 for a damn shirt. That's some bullshit.
Well, he has to like put the trust me, it's a lot he has to do to make these.
Exactly, that's you a lot.
You know, numbers is my role, but like, I hate that.
Why don't you talk to him about when he
No, that's fine.
Okay then.
I could buy one tomorrow.
He wants to take my damn reason.
What you got from here, Rich?
No, I can't. His phone was stuck over the window.
Yeah, Richie.
Come on, give it a shot. Alright, go ahead.
You may say now or never. Yeah, it's now or never. Actually, I want
Take the chance, Richard.
See, I'm whooping it for you. Come on. There you go. There we go.
There you go.
28 bucks.
Mikey's though. You see that? Mikey's too. It's like Mikey's. Mikey's. Mikey. He said he got Mikey. He got a Mikey.
Mikey got the one of those.
I have the Mikey. He got the Mikey's. Take the Mikey. Mikey's all day. You know Mikey.
Fuck Nike. Mikey got the Mikey.
Mikey. I got the Mikey 12. Yeah.
Mike. I got a 3-6 shirt right now.
So why you wearing this one? Oh, that's hard.
Yo, y'all take the I'm not gonna card it.
It's time to wear a striped sweater. It's all the time.
Wait, this is wait.
Say that to Richard.
Striped sweater.
No, I got it. Yo, say that to Richard.
Shut up. I'm about to make Kevin Satchel shit. Yo, shut up! Nah, for real, y'all. I'm turning Kevin Satchel.
Say that to
I bet.
Down with Harlem.
I got you right now, man.
Get out of here. Get out. Get out.
Emergency brake.
No, let's see.
Where is it?
I told him to say that. I told him. I told him to say that.
Always thinking downward. Nice street. Look, center. Burn the six. Burn six. Down with the coast. Down with the coast.
Funtown Express.
Get down with the
You guys want the gate cars yet?
Not yet. Nope. I've been waiting for this.
Burn the six forever.
I actually told her to take the street first.
No, wait, I lied.
This is the most memorable. Special.
Hello, bud. Hello,
It's a historic moment in NCAA history, gentlemen. Oh no, it cut off. No.
Just do it again.
My video cut itself.
You fucking Mission Bale. Screw you. Mission Bale wasted.
I got a YouTube video on my channel now. Everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everybody sub. There you go.
Wait the next round. Hey Richard. Pizza. You never seen that? Pineapple Pretty's not scary.
Almost died. Oh god.
Yeah.
Everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel. Jason Transit. You already know. The G-Train runs every daily.
Lies. Get out of here.
The A's better than the C fighting right now.
Trash talker. You hear trash talker.
The A's better than the C fighting right now. We're gonna fight. Anybody want y'all for the fight?
Same reason why your train is still in the construction.
Wait, what? What you said about my 7? It's the G-Train.
Oh, same reason why your
Don't talk shit
train.
about the 7, bro.
I would talk about the 7.
Okay, but your train got new cars though.
Where's your new? But where's your new car though? Oh,
I say vintage.
You say vintage. Where your 46 is at? Employees? I thought you say vintage. Yeah, no. I thought you say vintage. Where your 46 is at?
I'm still a SME though.
Where your 46 is at though?
What do you got? CBT.
But you G-Train.
And CBT, if one little thing goes wrong with CBT,
CBTC is coming to Queens Boulevard.
I know. The EF and R are going to be fucked.
Oh, they really fuck. Yo, I took
Your lines are going to be full.
You called the G Express?
That's not what I said. I'm saying.
Oh. Lucky, I missed it. That F Express
There's no
though.
point. Yeah, there's no point.
Last week when I was going to go down,
Get out.
when I took the 2 I took the Dari, I got to get the slowest train on the weekend.
The 5 train is literally. I mean, I love the 4. 4 is my favorite.
Hey, Utica.
Utica.
Utica. Yeah, Utica. Who live at Utica?
Fuck you to go fuck the 4th train. Yeah, man.
No, but no funny will stop you.
Ford and Row.
No funny shit.
No, I was hoping this morning when I got to 149, I was like, oh, let's see, because I thought this one was at 149 on the 5, so I was like, well, he might let us on Express. So I was like, when I get into 149, I'm like, damn it, I thought he was gonna let us on Express, because he was like, oh, we're gonna give you lunch on Express. I was like, I hear because I'm so fresh. I'm like, we get lunch on Express. He's like, no, you're good, the 5 train already left. I was like, damn it. I was so excited.
Exactly. Nah, y'all been taking the 3 Express from Utica to Pan City. They skipped every stop and went straight to Pan City.
Oh no, that is got me. Oh no.
This turn on Saratoga was gone. She said, get her!
That's got me. That's got me. That's got me.
I feel like I take 2 from the 5 6 today.
I know.
The 4 is the best IRT line ever created besides the 3.
I'll live there.
And the 7 doesn't count as IRT because it's technically BMT, so I don't reject that.
Oh, you right. Don't reject that.
So the 4 is the best, 4 3 is the best. The G train sucks, as we all know.
The G train does suck.
I'll train sucks. I'll train sucks.
No, it does not. Excuse me. Go left train.
Screw the hipster logo. Down with NRC. Down with NRC.
Y'all done phone
Down with
or
Jamaica.
not?
Down with
Down with the 6. Down with the 6.
Guys!
Down with the
Victoria, guys!
Down with the 6. Up with the 5. Down with the 6.
Yeah,
Up
that's
with the
TikTok.
5.
Five is shit.
The 4 is the Lexington 4 is the best.
Bro, let me tell you some shit. They gestured to Utica on the 5.
Oh, I like that. I like it. Yo, it's hard for me to find the shot that I'm gonna find because
That's important.
that's rare.
That's rare.
I caught that on my way to school one time.
Coming from Newark City, it's not rare for the 5 chain. But going is rare. Yeah, this 2 5 chains coming from Newark. That's
I
the
got a
first
deal
train.
once from, they called it in at Grand Central. It was like, you going to do that. I was like,
Yo, you know DJ Hammers, right? No,
we be catching everything.
I thought, right? We saw yesterday's post. He got the Clover line. He's like Abby X.
What's going on today?
Everybody search my YouTube channel, Jason Transit.
Yo, Joshua rolled up my ass.
What's he want to do? I got you.
I thought I saw you with the hard
Ah man, this is a nostalgia ride for me on the Sporty Twins. It's been years. The beat train that's it. Oh,
That's the shop.
Also, Sebastian.
the gate cars are here.
He was in the front with Mike Bird.
Not here.
Yo, what's the gate cars?
Which Mike?
I saw Mikey. I know who this is.
Where Mikey at?
It's Sebastian.
He was
I
Mikey.
let you just put it in my
I know who that is. I know who that is.
Not a hard.
I know who that is.
This is me.
I'm Josh.
Gate cars are not here.
Now, if I write my name in this book, I'll write who I am.
Wait, can we go take No, wait a minute. We're gonna take the gate cars. Oh, no, it's gate cars.
Wait, the gate pass is
It should be.
Oh, no, you're on the shuttle.
They're over there.
And
They're doing a shuttle.